This is the BraunAbility Rear-Entry Manual Ramp Van for those looking for an economical yet simple way for transportation. The full mechanical system has no failure points and can be easily operated with one hand, allowing access directly into the back of the vehicle. This 34-inch wide ramp accommodates the largest of chairs and can accommodate up to 2 chair riders at one time. The Braun Rear-Entry Van offers multiple seating configurations thanks to the flip and fold seats. These seats simply flip down and raise up to allow for ambulatory passengers to be transported as well. Stowing the ramp is very simple. Lifting up the spring assist makes it simple to stow the ramp, and vans equipped will have a power closing door.